13 I had a turnover. That is taken into consideration and says you pay. Per contra, the respondent is substantially well off. She is very affluent. In her assets and liability statement, she does not disclose anything. The court notices that she closes both her bank accounts and she had about 78 lakhs in her bank account. Just after filing of this petition, she withdraws all those monies. The court notices that. Nevertheless, the court says you pay 25,000 rupees. Kindly, husband, my lord.
What is the order you're questioning?
The order is paying maintenance of rupees 25,000 to the child and for payment of expenses of 35,000 rupees for the proceedings. My lord, I have only two submissions, my lord. Kindly come to the application filed
25,000 to the daughter.
to the daughter.
Uh,
My lord, the daughter, from the day the marriage took place in 2013. The child was born on 12/7/2014.
12/7.
2014. My lord, in March 2017, she quits the marital home and she goes to her parents' house. From that day till day, the child is not with me. I have never seen the child. I had made an application before the court. In a writ petition, it was struck down. I have not seen the child till date. My lord, kindly see.
What is struck down?
Before the court below, I had made an application before the court
You filed a JNWC petition.
to seeking custody. In a writ petition that before the forum I had filed, that was struck down. Nevertheless, that's a different issue. My lord, now kindly see the application that is filed on page 42.
No, you're not even exercising any visitation rights also.
Pardon me?
No visitation rights.
No visitation rights. I was
Right
granted that was struck down.
Right from 2014.
Right from 2017 onwards, I have not seen the child.
Now, what did you do when your petition is struck down?
Now I have filed it here in this before this court, that is pending. JNWC is pending.
When was it?
In 2019, from 2019 it's pending.
In that also you didn't see.
I sought for it is being stalled. Unfortunately, my client has never had the benefit of visitation rights, still pending. For some reason or the other, it's been stalled.
Stalled means any stay order?
No, the proceedings
Not
are being
proceeding further.
proceedings are not being going ahead. My lord,
Now, what is the income of the husband first?
my lord, I was doing hoarding business. The entire holding business in Bangalore city has come to a standstill. In my declaration of assets and liabilities, I have clearly stated that all my assets are frozen by the bank. I have no income. What the trial court would do is, in 2013, I had a turnover. That is taken into consideration and says you pay. Per contra, the respondent is substantially well off. She is very affluent. In her assets and liability statement, she does not disclose anything. The court notices that she closes both her bank accounts and she had about 78 lakhs in her bank account. Just after filing of this petition, she withdraws all those monies. The court notices that. Nevertheless, the court says you pay 25,000 rupees. Kindly see there at page annexure G is her affidavit of assets and liabilities.
No. Before that, let's see the finding of the court on this.
Yes, my lord. May I read, my lord? Parties to the petition have filed their respective affidavits in lieu of declaration of their assets and liabilities as per the guidelines issued by the Honorable Apex Court in Rajneesh versus Neha. On 8/4/2024, the petitioner filed application under so-and-so to register complaint against the respondent's jurisdiction match for offences punishable, stating that she has made a false statement in her declaration of assets and liabilities. In spite of giving sufficient opportunities to the respondent, she has not filed her objections to this application till date. On 17/7/2019, the petitioner filed IA number 9, directing the respondent to produce her bank statement of HDFC Bank, Virajpet from so-and-so. On 21/10/2019, the petitioner filed IA number 10, directing her to produce her income tax returns for the assessment year so-and-so and issue summons to the HDFC Bank, Virajpet branch to produce her bank statement for the period 4/4/2018 till 26/8/2000 and particulars of fixed deposit. As per the order dated so-and-so, this court was pleased to reject IA number so-and-so. Agreed by the said order, the petitioner filed WP number so-and-so on the file of this court at Bangalore.
I think there was an earlier round of litigation on this. It came up
I
before
came
the
to this court directed them to produce it, my lord.
Mm.
As per the order dated so and so, was disposed directing the respondent to produce their income tax return and bank statements 2 years prior to 26/8/2019. The order has also directed the petitioner that he should cooperate with this court in deciding application. As per the income tax returns verification forms produced in this case for the assessment year so and so, the gross total income of the respondent was 4,18,000, 4,56,000, 6,72,000, 4,86,000, and so and so, respectively. The respondent has produced a statement of account maintained in HDFC Bank Virajpet branch on 12/6/2018 and 26/8/2019, a sum of rupees 23 lakhs 9,410 and 20 lakhs 3,148 respectively were in the said account, and on 26/8/2019 she withdrew the entire amount of 20 lakhs 3,000 in this 148. In the said account statement, in the column of the summary, it is mentioned that the total debits and credits is 78 lakhs 32,537. Hence, it is clear after filing of this application, the respondent has withdrawn the entire amount in the said account for the reasons best to her, known to her. As per the statement of account, said account was opened on 4/4/2018 and closed on 26/8/2019. Hence, it is clear within a period of 1 year, 4 months, there was a total transaction of 78 lakhs 32,537 in the said account. At this stage, I am of opinion that this is a huge money transaction within a short period of 1 year and 4 months shows the financial condition of the respondent. Then comes my case, Manoj. The petitioner has produced his income tax returns, acknowledgement of assessment years 2013-14 up to 2018-19. As per the said gross total income of the petitioner was 67 lakhs, 42 lakhs, 46 lakhs, etc. respectively. The petitioner also produced copy of the petition filed by the respondent against her mother and brother in P&SC on the file of the Honorable District Judge Kodagu. In the said petition stated father died on so and so. The scheduled properties belong to her father, and on 6/5/2017, her father executed a registered will bequeathing the said properties to her and her mother. Scheduled properties of the said P&SC are comprised as land bearing survey number so and so, totally measuring 46 cents in one extent with RCC house and first floor at Virajpet town, and coffee estate in survey number 47/210 measuring 18 acres, along with valley property situated at so and so, so and so. In her affidavit of declaration assets liability, the respondent has stated she is residing in her parents' house situated at Virajpet town owned by her father. In the aforesaid affidavit dated 27/10/2021, the respondent has not mentioned anything about the aforesaid scheduled properties in P&SC zone. Therefore, my lord, she has suppressed her entire assets.
Why the court should come to her rescue?
Exactly, my lord. Why should the court come to her rescue, my lord? And my lord,
My lord.
We'll ask her. Yes.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, so this application for interim maintenance has been filed on 10/1/2018, my lords. And orders has been passed by the Honorable Trial Court, while order dated 10/6/24, awarding interim maintenance of rupees 25,000 per month and litigation rupees of 35,000 only, rejecting any interim maintenance to the wife, my lords. As such, she has challenged that very same order in the WP earlier, what I have mentioned in the FR number, my lords, for enhancement of the money, and also for the awarding interim maintenance to the wife also, my lords. And your lordship may have to see that since from the year of separation 2017 onwards, there is not even any maintenance has been filed by the given by the husband to the wife and child, my lords. Not even. They were applying all tactics, whatever possible, filing one or other with petition.
No, before that.
Yes, my lord.
When the court has observed that in several paragraphs, that
Yes,
the wife has come to court with a lot of suppression and misrepresentation of facts.
No, my lords.
Why the action should not be initiated against the wife? Why the court has not taken that into consideration?
There is some mistake, my lords, in the observations of the Honorable Trial Court, my lords. The P&SC case which has been mentioned by the husband is that, my lords, and now
Not
that
the case,
there is a
not
will
the
left
case.
by the...
not the case about not filing the assets and liabilities as per the law laid down by the apex court in Rajneesh versus Neha.
This
And
is with,
just before, then that has reached to this court, then on the order passed by
Yes,
this
my
court,
lord.
you were directed, then you withdraw 78
We
lakh
produce, my
rupees.
lord.
You
No, my
withdraw
lord, that is-
78 lakh rupees. And you say that you want maintenance.
No, that is not the individual account of the wife, my lords. She is having an age-old mother. Her father deceased in the year 2017 to help her mother to sort out the financial issues because mother is aged person. She is not in a position to handle her finances and all. Opened a joint account. It is that very particular account which detail she has not given. For which only they have approached the
Get your case numbered, that your FR number, whatever that is pending, then this will be
Yes,
heard
ma'am.
along with that, and till such time there will be stay. Please come. Agree
He is
with
seeking the stay on his own MC case, my
agree with
lords.
the order passed in I number 4 in MC number 1780 of 2017 dated 10th June 2024. The husband is before
And
the
moreover,
court. Yes.
no maintenance has been awarded to the wife. It is only to his own daughter. Since from the year 2018, nothing has been paid till today.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the wife has come before the court with all submission of facts, and she has not filed the correct statement before the court. Though the court has observed that the wife had failed to file the relevant documents and also the conduct of the wife, but still granted maintenance of 25,000. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the marriage has taken place in the year 2013. Out of the wedlock, a girl was born on 27/2014. And in the month of March 2017, the wife along with the child has left the matrimonial home. From that day till now, he could not even visit the child. The earlier petition filed by him is dismissed. Now he has come up with a JNWC petition in the year 2019, and the same is pending consideration before the court. This next learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that the court below had failed to grant maintenance to the wife, and they have questioned it by filing FR number. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that the husband has not paid even a single pie to the mother, to the mother and the child till now, and it is submitted that her petition that is filed by her for enhancement also has to be heard along with this. In response to that, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the court has considered only his income from 2013 to
2014 to 2016,
2018, I think. Income tax returns till
2018.
2013 to 2018. But as he was doing a holdings business, which has come to a standstill, and is not in a position to pay the he is not in a position to pay the money to is dues to his EMIs to the bank in this regard. Considering the submissions of the petitioner, and as the wife's petition is also pending, both the matters will be heard together and will be disposed of. Pending consideration of the same, it shall be stay of all further proceedings in MC number, NIA number.
That filed by the husband only, my lords. That MC petition. It is at
My
the
lord may
stage of evidence.
No,
my lord may stay this order, that is sufficient.
the order
stay
date
this
is
order, that is
suspended.